5, 6, 7. Part 2. We out here still getting it. 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, start lunging. Let's get it. This is the last exercises. Let's go, Miss Jackson. Don't even think about it. Push it all through. This is the last few movements, and we're gonna be out of here. Push it. She looking ugly. Let's get it. Push it, Miss Jackson. Let's go. I told her she worked her husband. I don't play like that because the more perfect the movement is, the more perfect that area is going to develop. The muscle going to develop. She had her rough stages too. Let's push it. You ready, brother Moose? We're going to do this in a second. Push it, Miss Jackson. This is the last time. Let's go. Let's go. I'm finna do them after y'all. Me and Moose going to do the same thing. Y'all going to see. I want to get y'all out the way first. Come on. I'm going to show you. I ain't gonna put you out there in the wilderness. What's your name, sister? I see you falling. Good job. Let's go. Push it. Push. Have you on my YouTube channel now. Don't be looking crazy. All right, well, now y'all get right here. 20 jumping jacks. Lunge back, and y'all done. Y'all exercises will be done for the day. Good 45 minutes. Catch your breath, count to 10, 20 jumping jacks. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good job, Sinead. That's what we're here for, to get tired and get stronger. Count to 10, do your 20 jumping jacks. We get out here with Moose so we can get started. Miss Jackson, when you get to the sidewalk, sweetie, you're gonna do count to 10. You're gonna do 20 jumping jacks, then you're gonna start lunging back. I'm finna go get Moose so we can say, y'all did y'all 20 jumping jacks yet? Let's get it. Don't try to cheat me, Sinead. Get my 20. Moose, let's get it. Finna get it. Now we're gonna do 20. Now I want you to record us. Hold on. They don't think I be doing my stuff.